Well, when it comes to civil cases, what happens when someone sues a person or the government?
We asked the producer and host of our KHON2 podcast, What's the Law?
And Coralie joins us now to talk about something that's kind of in the news a lot lately. Thank you so much for joining us first. How are you?
Nice being here.
Good. Thank you so much for being here. Okay, let's just jump right into it. Someone commits a crime and is punished. Can the victim sue the defendant for money damages?
Well, when someone commits a crime like murder, it's considered a crime against society. So the government prosecutes a defendant who could be punished. But putting somebody in jail doesn't do anything to help the victim. And that's where civil actions come into play, where the victim can sue the accused or convicted criminal for money damages. And the classic case is the O.J. Simpson case, where he was found not guilty of murdering Nicole Brown Simpson and Ronald Goldman, yet the jury in the civil case held him legally responsible for their deaths. Now, the burden of proof is higher in a criminal case, and you have to prove it beyond a reasonable doubt, and it has to be a unanimous verdict, and that's because somebody might go to jail, versus a civil case where you only have to prove by a preponderance of the evidence that it's more likely than not that you were injured by that person, and the verdict doesn't have to be unanimous.
Okay, let's bring it home for a second, right back here locally. Why were civil lawsuits filed in the Kealoha, Miami, SICAP cases even before potential criminal actions were investigated or filed?
Right. Well, civil cases are often filed early on to try to obtain evidence like body cam footage or police reports, and also to meet statute of limitation requirements. Sometimes the civil case is put on hold, like, for example, in the Kealoha case, the defendants probably would have taken the Fifth Amendment so as not to incriminate themselves in the criminal case. But now that the criminal case is concluded, the civil case is moving forward. Now, when a defendant is found guilty, it's easier to prove the civil case because the burden of proof is lower in the civil case, and chances of settlement are higher because the criminal case has already been proved.
Whew, okay. Here's another one for you. What if you're suing the government or an individual government employee like police officers? Isn't that just a little bit trickier?
It is. Under English law, the doctrine of sovereign immunity meant that you were not permitted to sue the king. Over the years, federal and state legislation developed to allow certain lawsuits to be filed against the government under certain circumstances. Police officers like Derek Chauvin in the George Floyd case have what is called qualified immunity, which makes it really difficult to hold government employees liable. Some members of Congress right now are trying to get rid of qualified immunity so that government employees like police officers could be held responsible if their actions were found to be unjustifiable. Practically speaking, though, police unions have contracts with the government, which usually requires the government to defend individual police officers. So when the government settles with the victim in a civil case like a wrongful death lawsuit, the victim usually agrees to release the government from all of the other actions, including against the individual police officer. I have podcasts this month. I talked to Eric Seitz, who's the attorney who represents the victims in the Kealoha and SICAP cases, and he's suing the City and County of Honolulu for civil rights violations.
Okay, let's take police out of this.
Okay.
Let's talk about lawsuits that don't involve the government or police. What if you get injured on a sidewalk, hiking trail, or the beach? Can you sue the government for damages then?
Yes, you can. And every year, the state legislature and county councils approve millions of dollars of settlements. So in order to prove money damages in a civil lawsuit against the government, the plaintiff needs to show that the government had a duty of care to you, that they breached that duty of care, that the negligence caused the accident, and that the accident was foreseeable. Hawaii has comparative negligence rule, so that if an injured party is found 51% or more at fault, they can't recover any damages. So if you're hiking in a trail where you're not supposed to be, and you're drinking alcohol and hanging from the trees and you fall off the cliff, you might not be able to recover any damages because what happened to you was probably more your fault than anybody else's.
Oh boy, but there are those cases, aren't there?
There are. People sue for anything.
Okay, this is just one of the many topics that you got on KHON2.com. It's the podcast, What's the Law? Let me just ask you, what else you got going on? You got anything else?
Right. So the legislative update is coming up at the end of the month. After the governor signs things into law, there's different laws that are going into effect that you should know about. And as you said, we post What's the Law every Monday, a new podcast on KHON2.com.
Courtney, thank you so much for being with us. We appreciate it.
Thank you, John. See you later.
Yep.
A lot of great info. She's such a wealth of knowledge.
Yes, you can always find all the information on the podcast on our website, KHON2.com.
All right, take a